Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to use these 4 words. इस टॉपिक को अच्छे से समझने के लिए हम इसे सिंगुलर प्लूरल फॉर्म में समझेंगे और अगर आपको ये जानना है कि सिंगुलर प्लूरल क्या है देन लिंक आपको आई बटन में एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. नाउ लुक एट दिस टेबल. अगर कोई भी एक व्यक्ति या वस्तु हमारे पास है तो हम दिस यूज करते हैं. The bird is near to me. Bird मेरे पास है. Bird is a singular noun which is near to me. In this case, we will use this. So we can simply say this is a bird. Now let's see how to use these. एक से अधिक व्यक्ति या वस्तु जब हमारे पास हो तो हम these का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. The birds are near to me. In this sentence, बहुत सारी birds हमारे पास हैं. So we can simply say these are birds. So guys, I hope that this is very clear to you all. Now this is quiz time. एक पेन मेरे पास है. Dash is my pen. Yeah, very good. This is my pen. Why? Because pen is singular and near to me. Now look at this image and fill in the blank. Dash are my pens. Yeah, very good. These are my pens. Why? Because pens are plural noun and the objects are near to me. So we will use these. Now let's move further. वो पतंग मुझसे बहुत दूर है. The kite is far from me. Kite एक singular noun है और वो मुझसे दूर है. So the object which is singular in nature and far from us, we use that. That is a kite. और जब बहुत सारी पतंग मुझसे दूर है, we say the kites are far from me. So the plural noun and the object which is far from us, we use those. So we can simply say those are kites. So guys, I hope that this is also clear to you all. Now this is quiz time. मुझे वो मैंगो चाहिए. I want dash mango. Yeah, very good. I want that mango. Why? Because mango is a singular noun and mango is far from us. So we will use that. Now you look at the picture and fill in the blank. I want dash mangoes. Yeah, very good. I want those mangoes. Why? Because mangoes are plural noun and the objects are far from us. So we will use those mangoes. So guys, I hope that you have learned something interesting today. So do not forget to hit the bell icon, like, share, subscribe and keep learning with your favorite channel, ClassyMe for English. And I'll see you very soon.